Good day, sir. My name is Jubel J. Isaison, BIT Automotive. Now, I will demonstrate how to use AI. First, you need to go to Play Store and find AI app. This one, Math Solver. If you're done downloading, you can open the app. And there you go, and you can ask AI how to solve math. Example, this one. This AI can provide all the answer that you need.